Alright guys, so I just wanted to actually add something real quick. You can see what is inside ETFs by looking at them through this website. I'm going to leave a link to this website below this video in the resource section as well. But you can actually search all of the ETFs here and really see what is inside. For example, let's say I'm going to look at, like, let's say you're looking for some specific ETFs, for example, aerospace and defense ETFs, all right? And you can actually see like all the available ETFs within those, and then you can actually click on them, okay? And if you go to holdings here, you're going to be able to see what is inside these like ETFs. Now there's a lot of them, okay? These are top 15, but you can actually, you know, if there's a pro, if you look at the pro version, you're going to be able to see, like, if you get the pro version of this, you can actually see what is inside them. But you know, you don't actually have to buy anything here. You can just look up the search up the ETF, because I know this is going to be a really big question for a lot of people, and then, like, you know, you can actually look it up. So if you look up the ETF online, you can go to the ETF website itself, okay? So in this case, this is an iShares ETF, right? And then you can actually see what is inside. So let me see if I can find it. Holdings, there you go. So if you actually go to holdings, you're going to see all of the holdings here. So all the companies that are included within this ETF are right here. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to share this because if you're interested in, like, looking inside the ETFs that you're trading, this would be a very good place to start. Really not that hard to look into these things, but I was wondering, you know, I wanted to just share with you guys. For example, QQQ is another one. This is the one I personally trade, and take a look. You know, Investco QQQ Trust, and you can actually go to holdings here. You can see what is inside of it, or if you just search it up online, you're gonna be able to go inside the website. There you go. There you go. Actually, let me just go to the site itself. There you go. And then again, it says top 10 holdings, and then you can click on see all holdings, and you can see all the holdings, all the companies that are included within this ETF. So it's pretty interesting. You know, it does give you a lot of information if you're interested, and then you know, you can make your decision on which one you want to trade. But generally, the one that you want to definitely take a look at is this website. You can actually go to the, again, ETF database here, and for example, let's say I want to trade oil. Okay, so one of the things you can do is, let's go to, for example, find energy here. All right, there you go. Let's see. Again, we got the leverage as well, the ETFs, leverage, inverse, all that. Let's see. I'm looking for energy, natural resources, energy. There you go. And then we can just go, for example, there you go, United States Oil Fund, USO, right? ProShares Ultra, Bloomberg Crude Oil, UCO. So again, all these, you know, ETFs that you can actually trade that are energy based. So there's a lot of ETFs that you can check out for yourself. Take a look at them, guys, and, you know, choose the one you want to trade.